This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video, the weekend edition for December 19th, 2016. As you see right now, it's about 16 minutes after the close. On our gold side, I do a third Friday of the month where I'm on for 3 hours, which was today, just going over trading. Today was incredibly frustrating because the market was in such a tight range for all 3 hours. But for your subscription on the gold side, which is $129 a month, you actually get those 3 hours once a month. It's really exciting. So really interesting in here that we got such a tight range. Yeah, the ES is down 325, NASDAQ down 18. That sounds like not a big deal. I mean, a little sell-off. It stayed in this range for the last 3 hours, unbelievably. Yeah, the Russell down 330. Believe it or not, the Russell, and I just want to show you what I mean about frustrating. Go and check where the NASDAQ was at 1 o'clock today. I'm going to go put it on a 5-minute chart. Look where the NASDAQ was at the end of the day. The exact same place. That's brutal if you're trying to show people trades and show subscribers massive trades. It just happened today with the holidays. A lot of times in December this happens where nothing happens. That's exactly what you got today. So just keep that in mind in that. And so what happened? Summing up. ES is down 325. NASDAQ down 18, like I said. Russell down 350. Bonds sold off. Intraday rallied and then closed near their low. You had the Dow down all of 9. That sort of sums it up right there. The actual index of the Dow Jones down 883. This is a $20,000 index down 8. That shows you how tight the range was. You have the transports finally having some whackage here, down about 91 points in here. You know, it's about time they have a little bit of a sell-off. Crude oil up a point. Gold up $1. Gold up 5. And silver finally coming back a little, up 18 cents. Yeah, the dollar down all a 0.2 in here. The advanced decline, this was a big tip-off that when the ESs were down 8, that the advanced decline wouldn't stop being positive. That was a massive tip-off that the market wasn't going to crack today, and it didn't. Yeah, the VIX down another 59 in here, and the VIX futures down 28. Typical trading for prior to the week of Christmas. You had the DE Dow, the German DAX up just a bit, and the DJI China up just a bit. Put-call ratio is still very low in here. So what does all this mean? Number one, this is the first thing everybody asks me. Does this mean we don't have a Santa Claus rally? I want to show you an impressive graphic. Not that. That looks like, you know, just goes crazy in there. It looks like your screen was messed up. Go to a 4-year chart. And you're going to find this, at least I find it fascinating, but anything to do with the market I find fascinating. Go back 4 years and go back to the third Friday the last 3 years. See that low? That was the low on the third Friday of the month. Go back the year before. There were more people that year right here that said, uh-oh, no Santa Claus rally. The third Friday of the month was the low. The index, the SPX, went up 100 points over the next 7 days. You might say, well, that's an anomaly. Well, guess what? Go the next year. Guess what the low was? The third Friday of the month. I just find that absolutely fascinating. So the whole idea here is next week usually goes up. After that, I'm very cautious. But next week, usually it's dead, and it tends to go to the upside in here. So just to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. And we're not going to have it that much longer. We've had thousands take us up on it. And it's just we're not sure how long we're going to keep it up. Right now, that includes the chat room. You get me from 9 to 10 in the morning every morning. It also includes the premium videos, much more in depth than what you're hearing now. And the forum. This is a message board kind of communication tool between other subscribers and with me. You have a meetup, a very powerful part of this website, where I do about every 2 or 3 weeks a learning video, about an hour learning video that's interactive with our clients, and then those are published to the site. They're all free. They're not another $99. Look how many we've had. Just unbelievable in there. Very good value. And the last thing is the email alerts. I usually post 6 stock ideas, 6 index and futures charts every morning, and I'll post unusual option activity when we see it. Our track record with our option activity has been great, and our stock trades, even the ones I showed this morning, worked really well. So I hope everybody has a nice weekend, and I will talk to you first thing Monday morning.